Have you ever wanted to own your own business, but worried about coming up with a new idea or operating in the same space as so many other competitors? Here at Filta, we have something unique we think you might like to explore. Imagine a business where we can train you to deliver a unique range of services to some of the biggest names in the hospitality industry. Filta's services are recognized by its customers for their good value and environmentally friendly qualities. Like all business owners striving for a profit, our customers can't afford to have their kitchens out of action, and therefore all of our services have been developed to ensure disruption is kept to a minimum. You'll be trained to deliver a comprehensive fryer and fog management solution. This includes installing grease recovery units, GRUs, and providing monthly maintenance to ensure optimum efficiency. Effective fog, fats, oils and grease management is essential for minimizing waste in drains, preventing costly issues, and reducing environmental impact. Additionally, many customers rely on our fryer management services, often on a weekly basis, to filter cooking oil, extending its life and lowering their operating costs. You'll also clean fryers to minimize carbon buildup, improving their efficiency and overall performance. Not only is this service in high demand, it's required on a monthly if not weekly basis, which means you'll quickly become a valued member of your customer's network whilst giving you a consistent revenue stream. As a Filta franchisee, you'll receive your own exclusive territory and a license to trade under the Filta brand, training with our expert Filta technicians and well-established franchisees, giving you practical advice from people running successful businesses every day. Unique Filta equipment and a starter pack of uniform and essentials. Filta sales and admin support, plus marketing and IT services. A full induction program covering all aspects of operating and growing a successful franchise business. The best bit? A well-defined customer base with a clear route to market. Sounds good so far? Get in touch and find out more.